What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Squash by Lil Dusty G. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll squash your pancreas into a puddle of piss. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're only using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Our first chord here is going to be a B minor 7. You're going to bar the 2nd fret starting on the A string with your index finger, ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Next up, you're going to go G major bar chord, bar the entire 3rd fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 5th fret of the A, pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D, middle finger on the 4th fret of the G. Come down here to an A7, bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string. And then finally an F sharp major bar chord. You're going to move that G major bar chord just down 1 fret to where you're barring the entire 2nd fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D, your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, down, up, and then a muted down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, and then another muted down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. So 2 muted down ups, one right after the G major bar chord and one right after the F sharp major bar chord. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.